Introducing some of the important skills in the English language. Different pronunciation of the same word. There are some words that are pronounced differently depending on how they are used. For example, words like use, excuse have different pronunciation. If they are used as verbs, so they have Z sound at the end. Use, excuse. I want to use your phone, please. Excuse me, do you know where is the metro station? But if they are used as noun, they have S sound at the end. Use, excuse. There is no use of this phone. I need an excuse to leave. The ed endings. There are verbs that differ in their pronunciation when they are turned to the past tense. These verbs are pronounced according to their ending sounds. For example, if the verb ends with one of the sounds below, when this verb turns to the past, it sounds like d at the end. These sounds are b, g, j, l, m, n, n, r, th, v, w, y, z. Examples: dub, dubbed, lag, lagged, age, aged. Fill, filled, trim, trimmed, listen, listened, prolong, prolonged, peer, peered. Bathe, bathed, save, saved, show, showed, play, played, realize, realized. And other verbs end with one of the sounds below. When these verbs turn to the past, they sound like t at the end. These sounds are ch, f, k, p, s, sh, th. Examples: reach, reached, cuff, cuffed, talk, talked. Stop, stopped, place, placed, wish, wished, froth, frothed. And if the verb ends with d or t sound, then the past sounds id at the end. Some examples: need, needed, head, headed, wait, waited, want, wanted. The S endings. In the language, if we add S to a word, the end of the word is not always pronounced S as it is written. In some cases, it is pronounced Z sound, and in other cases, it is sound. Words that end with these sounds below, the S sound for them is Z, B, D, G, L, M, N, Ng, R, Th, V, Y. Some examples: job, jobs, nod, nods. Rug, rugs. Pole, poles. Pam, pams. Margin, margins. Song, songs. Door, doors. Loath, loaths. Glove, gloves. Boy, boys. And words that end with these sounds below, the S sound for them is S, F, K, P, T, Th. Ralph, Ralphs. Speak, speaks. Rope, ropes. Write, writes. Bath, baths. And words that end with these sounds below, the S sound for them is, ch, j, s, sh, z, zh. Patch, patches. Edge, edges. Boss, bosses. Push, pushes. Close, closes. Mirage, mirages.